Hello everyone, today our group will go to the Vietnam Military History Museum, which preserves important historical marks of the Vietnamese people in the war to protect the country. Now, our group is at the Vietnam Military History Museum. The museum is located on Thăng Long Avenue, Hà Nội, with an area of 38.66 hectares, storing 150,000 historical artifacts, currently displaying 4 national treasures. The outdoor exhibition area introduced many important military artifacts such as of the enemy and Vietnam in the battle. This is the highlight of the museum, the 45mm high Victory Tower, symbolizing the 1945. This is the plan that Baho used during his lifetime, one of the plans that the Soviet Union gave to the Vietnamese people in 1958. Inside, the exhibition space is designed in the modern style. When entering, one of the most prominent and immediately attractive artifacts is the aircraft number 4324. The number of stars on the aircraft symbolize of the glorious feats in the resistance war against the US. The exhibition room on the resistance war against the US by 1954 to 1975 is one of the important highlights. This area displays many valuable artifacts, helping visitors better understand the first stage of the war. And here you can see documentary photos of Vietnam's war, weapons and equipment of the Vietnam's People Army and the US Army. Stage of 1954 to 1964. This after the Geneva Agreement. Vietnam was divided into 2 regions. The North entered the stage of economic recovery and building socialism. However, the US gradually intervened in the South, appointing the Modi government to suppress the revolutionary movement. Model of the shelter, the Ho Chi Minh Trail, the Vito Road for transporting weapons and food from the north to the south. The 1968 Tet Offensive and Uprising, an important turning point in the resistance war, shaking the fighting spirit of the US, forcing the US government to reconsider its strategy. And this is the MiG-21 aircraft. Serial number is 5121, which shot down 5 US aircraft, including a B-52 aircraft, recognized as one of the 4 national treasures. Evidence is that recently there is a piece of wreckage from a B-52 plant that was shot down. A special area is the space to recruit the Chungsun Road, the place to transport weapons, food and human resources to the south. The stage of local struggle and political struggle in 1965 to 1968, the US directly sent troops to the south, conducted a local war, used search and destroy tactics and pacified the countryside to destroy the revolutionary force. However, the army and peoples of the south continued to fight steadfastly using both armed and political means. In addition to battles such as Van Thương 1965 and the Road Night Khe Sanh campaign 1968. The political struggle movement of students, Buddhists and working people took place vigorously, contributing to weakening the Saigon government. This is the 843 times the historical symbol associated with the Ho Chi Minh campaign in 1975. There is also an area recreating the 1975 Ho Chi Minh campaign through valuable dioramas, images, and documentary footage, marking the moment of liberation and national reunification. And thank you for visiting the Military History Museum with me. I hope this tour will help you gain more knowledge and a deeper understanding of the historical values that we must preserve.